for July 2026, Mater Amabilis. Presidium meeting is regularly conducted at Pardo Pastoral Center every Friday at 2 p.m. Period covered February 2026 to June 30, 2026. Number of full-fledged members, 10. Praetorian 6. Provisionary 0. Auxiliary 37. Attendance of members during meetings, 84%. Attendance of officers during Curia meeting, 80%. Postulates and activities attended. Number 1, school-based catechism at Pardo Elementary School Extension and Bulacau Elementary School by the 3 legionaries of Mother Amabilis. They were catechized also for their first communion. Number 2, special catechism conducted to 43 school children from Pardo Baptist Church School. Parents invited our Pardo catechists to give catechism to their children for their first communion in our Catholic Church. They already had their first communion last March 2026. Catechized also children from Cobon Padre Pio Chapel for their first communion. Our catechists also assisted the students in their first confession and their first communion. We are catechism to neighbors, also evangelize family members and friends to pray always. If possible, recite the Holy Rosary every day, to attend Mass every Sunday and holidays of obligation, to share to the poor and help the church, pagpabunyag, pagpakumpirma, o pagpakasal sa wala ay bunyag o kasal. Estimated preparation of documentary requirements sa usa ka limping couple. Preside, supervise the junior presidium meetings and attended junior Curia meetings. Visited the sick and offered prayers for them. Advised them for confession. Requested for the priest for their confession, and luckily nahilugan ang masakiton o nakakumpisal usap. Attended BEC meeting sa chapel in Bulacau and also done Black Rosary in Bulacau. Members of Mother Amabilis served as lector and collector, and other 3 members also served as catechists of the parish. Assisted the Flores de Mayo activities for the whole month of May 2026, attended the Flores de Mayo Masses and its culminating activity. Give religious articles to neighbors and graduating school children. Nag-invite sa mga youth, Zone 5 and 6 sa pag-apil sa lectors and cantors ministry. Also invited some youths in Bulacau to be trained as a Christian of the parish. Conducted parish-mandated census of families who are resident of Pardo. Part of the census is to know the number of family members, whether they are already married in church, if children are baptized and confirmed. We catechize them to go to church at least every Sunday and holidays of obligation, o pagkasal o pagbunyag sa wala kay kasal o bunyag. The census was conducted in some families of Zone 1 and Zone 5 residents. Attended pilgrims masses of Virgen sa Fatima Santa Lourdes, Santa Rita, San Antonio de Padua, Santo Padre Pio, and Señor Santo Niño, and other patron saints of mandated organization. Attended Lenten Recollection, Divine Mercy Recollection, Catechist Recollection, and Seminar for Catechists. Visited the wake, offered prayers for the dead, attend funeral mass and burial of some legionaries who gone ahead, and also visited the wake of dead relatives of legionaries, also offered prayers for them. Attended or participated the Via Crucis during Fridays and Lent participated in all Lenten activities, awa, confession, assisted kumpisal ng bayan, procession, house-to-house blessing, visita iglesia, attended Last Supper Mass, or blessing of light and water, and Easter Sunday Mass. Adoration, attend the Holy Hour for the first Friday and Saturday devotions, o nag-attend of Corpus Christi, Mass, and Procession. Functions attended. Attended the Atches of Sisters of Mary at Talisay City, Cebu, last March 2026, wherein we had our consecration renewal to Mother Mary. Our Presidium also conducted our summer function in Mingalia, Cebu Beach Resort last April 2026, attended by almost all our members, Mother Amabilis. Salamat, nagpasalamat kami sa kanunay sa Ginoo o ni Mama Mary ng among Presidium makalahutay hangtod karon. Nagpasalamat usab kami ni Sister Sandra Solano o Presidium Mother Epiche, who visited our Presidium last week and gave us some advices. Mother Amabilis report prepared by Sister Sinaida Macalso, our President, Marina Tagyang, Vice President, Secretary Sister Mia Elisino, Treasurer Sister Julie Datulaita. Daghang salamat o maayong buta.
Salamat.